All right, what's up, YouTube? Welcome to the Struggling Day Trader channel. My name is Hassan, and we are live. What's going on?
SRXH.
Yo, Notorious Rob in the building. Free Pony.
UA.
TIVC. Actually, you know what? I don't even have that up. I can definitely swap. Yeah. Okay.
ARGD.
Am Van OG. Happy Friday. I really want to take open right now, but it's way too close to the open to take something to me. But it's looking great. This wick right here almost ended my career.
ARGD.
Almost ended my career. What's up, Eric? P-Gen. T-Low. P-Gen. Nice daily pop. Looks pretty nasty on the hourly, though. I would say P-Gen is a wrap for the day. Wave Rider. What's up, bro? I really like PPSI right here.
ARGD.
Bouncing around for a while on the one, but I think this is the break right here.
BTCS.
It's just too close to
TBLV.
the open. That opening candle is super irrational, like this 9 o'clock candle that tried to destroy me.
ARGD.
TIVC's one.
BTCS.
Definitely looking clean.
XPON. ALM.
ALM.
Micro dime. What's going on?
XPON.
BTCS.
What up, Trey? 1 minute.
UAA.
Man, PPSI looking like gold on the 15, bro. Right over the top.
AMAT.
DSLK. Super dark horse. It's below day 2.
KYIB.
DBA. AMBA.
WULF. SOXS.
Boy.
UAA. GAMB.
TIBC. ACDC. EBLB.
EBLV.
WULF.
HSAI,
HSAI,
ACDC,
KABL,
All
PPSI,
we gotta do.
XNET, UAA, DVA, PPSI,
SY,
TIBC, PGEN, EBLB, WULF,
UAA,
XNET,
PPSI,
UAA, SNOA,
PGEN,
SGML,
My bad.
CGTS,
Let me turn this clock off.
GAMB,
Crazy.
PPSI,
What up, T-boy? Hey, man. You ain't gotta apologize to us, bro. We all going through the same stuff at different times, man. My behavior, I mean, my dollar amount was a lot smaller than yours, but I also had a round trip from profit to loss yesterday. Nice size profit to loss from an R perspective. So this was a no-brainer to me. Just didn't know how to approach it. This would have been a good Dirk entry over the close, maybe. I don't know. One day. Well, it's just the open. Those first, it's not nearly as scary as it used to be, but you know, it feels so irrational at the open. Well, it used to. It doesn't feel as irrational as it used to. Because I mean, it plays off of pre-market a lot. Like it's just a little more whippy. Like it's not gonna hold levels, you know, to the penny or anything. Like it's gonna shoot past them. But like I feel like you can get a pretty good overall direction, and just like the time frames, like look at the hourly and the 15 on this. Like to me, it was definitely gonna go up, but where do I put my stop? And you know, like how do I actually trade it though? You know. But I was thinking the break of the open, like you know, something Dirk would say. But even then, I don't have any data to take that trade. Now right here, that looked nice. But you know, it's just not. I don't have a playbook for it, so I can't trade it with confidence. Barely trade my own playbook with confidence. Now this looks like a full orb right here. Yeah, right. Halted down. TIVC. That's good. It was up there, man. It need to come on down anyway. Sheesh. Mm, yeah. Yep, she's whippy. What? Be nice to see a little low volume, narrow range red candle after this one. Wild Wild West Friday. Hmm. Yeah, the Trading View definitely. I noticed their prices be off the highs and lows. It's not the same. Pretty nasty slap up right there. Dang, BSLK squeezing to trade. Good lord. What's up, Knives? Look at this nastiness. Hmm. Easy no trade day, huh? Quick 52-week high on PPSI, Rob. Tough. Whew. Hey, boy, BSLK opened up crazy. Good Lord. Fill that gap now, huh? uh, no point crying about it, that's for sure. I sure like this trade, man. Yeah, that was the buy right there. It's not too late. Hey, Satan. Ain't done yet. Like it's about to take 10 out. Slow pullback to VWAP on the one. Slow volume, stair step two. Fine volume, kind of weak though. Boy, this thing is in a range if I ever seen one. It's going up though. Moving average is rising. Still have yet to make a higher high though. Starting to make a triangle, ain't it, Trey? Open got one too. And kind of like the one. Looking pretty good on the one, man. Got nothing, eh? There goes BSLK over 10. At 1050. Man, that one is solid on the beginning of the uptrend right there. Over 332. My bad. Let's talk. I don't know, man. I've been feeling pretty down about this whole thing. Just like I believe in my approach more than ever, but just that I can come in and have days like yesterday where it's just it's the discipline thing, you know. It's like being able to walk away at at 4 hours, just be like, well, it's also the $5 risk that makes it kind of frivolous on days like yesterday. Like, if it was like some actual bread, I'd have been up out of here cheesing, you know. But the 4R at $5 a pop is just kind of like, let's keep trading and see, if we can actually make some money. So that's one thing that kind of goes against me with low risk. And it's a nice one, Eric. It's a real nice one. Yeah, no doubt. This is kind of the line we're looking at now, though. It's end up being a kind of cool play. The entry candle is pretty nasty, though. And it's just, I don't want to buy it inside of this range at all. Is that again? Open looking pretty fire right here. I'm gonna wait for that higher high though. See this type of setup where it's like trying to make you buy high a day. Yeah, risking the 2R after the open felt right, but I feel like I could have looked ahead and known that if I lost 2R, I'd be feeling a type of way and not wanting to walk away. So I should have just left it alone. 1150, yeah, that thing went crazy, bro. We gotta start getting on them 3-day squeezes, man. Yeah, U.S. retail sales rise in July. Off the very low to the EMA tip, but this thing about to go. Yeah, this definitely look like the one, T-boy. $6 guarantee. $0.25 stop. Yeah, maybe. It's just stuck in this range, man. I don't want to buy it inside of it. I would feel quite silly. Yeah, I don't want it until it breaks over my yellow line here. It's just pre-market high. I like PGen over here though. I wish this candle was a bit different, but I think I'm gonna miss it. It's not all that great. The hourly's nice, but over 286, just that high. Ah, for real? On what, Trey? Dang it, man. 88 would be the trigger at 290s high a day. It's hella at resistance. Yeah, that ain't it. That ain't it. Yeah, FOMO's a hell of a drug. Mad at myself for not taking that. I sure like it. The hourly. Yeah, right up under the $3 level too. That would be a better entry on PPSI. Man, it's my strat. I feel like my strat's telling me to take this. It's just that it's high a day, but that's literally the only reason I'm not buying right now. Because it's in the high a day, but yeah, that's a rule for a reason. It's just not wait for an opportunity that doesn't have me feeling anxious about taking it. No, PPSI picked its direction. Yeah, no doubt. No doubt, Knives. Yeah, I like TIVC here. That's kind of a long pullback though. But I like it here on the 15. Let's see if we get something started on the 5. Ooh. Bruh. Feels extended already, honestly. I'd like to see a little run on it. Maybe break 3 and then come back. Uh, Man, it looks so clean. I'm gonna be so mad at myself for not taking this, yo. I'm gonna be so mad. But if it stopped, I would probably be mad too. So, damn it. That's what's up. Yeah. Volume's really good though. That thing crapped out. TVIC. It's got some work to do. Way under VWAP. That sucks. Technical. 285, 292 is key, yeah. But I didn't jump in yet. Pretty sad right now. My goal is to pass up on all my unsure trades. Just to stop taking those. As soon as I see myself starting to second guess and all of that, it's getting out of there. Wow, that thing's way up. All the way up. Yeah. Ah, okay. I see that technical. That makes sense. This might be the one right here, though. It's still a high day break. Means my setup would have worked. Yup. It is looking so good now. Here's 92. Yeah, I just wish I could have gotten an entry down here in the 70s somewhere. That would have been cool. Or this high would have made a higher high, so this entry wouldn't have been so close to high day. High day at VWAP and the EMA though, it's a little different. Should have bet on my strat. And that's all we got right now. Maybe the longs will come to play. Because everything else is dying. PPSI is dying. TIVC is dying. I don't know if Open was ever alive. BLSK, BSL, BLS, BSLK. Yeah, we were watching it this morning, man. That thing really did the thing. And that would have been a nice play right here. Yeah. Dang. What's up, Samurai? I just had a couple trades in pre-market, nothing at the open yet. Oh, we can get another candle pullback. What do we get to? $3? Yeah. Yeah, I was glad to see T-Boy get into the 2,500 range on the green side because I was thinking about the big, how deep the hole gets dug, and it's like, does it make sense to dig a hole bigger than, you've ever been on the other side? But yeah, I feel that. I was like, when I was having them $50 max loss days, and my green days was like 20 and 30, like, bro, what are we doing? What are we doing? Yeah, we call it the third day squeeze. Yeah, that's the thing, man. It's like the winning makes you money, but the discipline keeps you in the game. Because if you can't control your losses, you can't outwin your losses in most cases. When your losses are devastating, it's like trying to lose weight with just the gym and not stopping all the bad eating. It's like it's not gonna work. Man, it's about to go. I'm about to delete this high day rule. Just a little FOMO talking. I know. Where's Notorious? Hey, open looking like it might be ready to flip it. Nah, not Rob. He would have just took a little paper cut and been chilling on the sidelines, if anything. Now, if this bad boy can pull back one more candle, see, I really want to take this. I think this is hella valid. But I'm not. Just gonna imagine that I have that rule for a reason, even though I can't think of it right now. I feel like it's holding me back. But I mean, we are one, two, three, four, potentially five green candles up, and the hourly is cooked over here. But back over VWAP, $3 would be a good place for this thing to get slapped. Sure. But I just like the break, the 5 minute hold, and then the break again. Like, that's beautiful, yo. The rule should got a winner if you have a squeezer. That's how I feel, bro. Like, I'm chasing this momentum. Uh, open 339. Still wouldn't be at target from this entry, I don't think. That would have been like a 12 cent entry over 88, 98, 308, 312. Momentum. I mean, because I don't usually trade momentum like that where I'm just jumping in as it's breaking highs and stuff. I'm more of a get in after the pullback type of guy. Mm. Mm. What indicator are you talking about? RSI? real scary today. Just not taking this and not taking that. That's no fun. What's the float on open? It must be a lot. I don't know. What's up, Focus? PGen 500 shares at 304. Man, that's cool. Yeah, I wanted it. That rule is stupid. It's lonely at the bottom. Man. Oh, 285. Yeah, that's what's up. Yeah. The Billy rule. I know, right? But I mean, it's like it's right off VWAP. Like it's just started the uptrend though. It's not like it ran and made a higher day and now you want to trade the break type thing. You know, like higher day was right here originally, and then it broke it here and held it. You know, it's not the same. Here comes the reasoning. uh, Here comes open. At 15 was purdy. Show me 100 charts that worked. Hmm. Look at that, bro. Yeah. Damn, bro. My setup was screaming for me to take this, bro. Mm. Nah, but where was my line at? This was my line. Got the higher high. Got the hold. You know, entries over the line. Entry there, stop there, or stop there. And this one. Nice. That's super low. $340 is like a 15-minute breakout over here. Yeah. I know, focus. Yeah. It's definitely fun when you're making money, technical. Not really when you're not. But as far as passing up the questionables, you've done a pretty good job today. This, I need another high above this line and a pullback. I'm not going to buy the resistance. A lot easy stones. Even though this 5 is looking pretty cool, this could actually be the lot easy stones, which would make that a cool entry. It's like a cheater lot easy stones though. Yeah, it's pretty valid. One trade a day. Yeah, that was the time. $317, $345. Man, what am I really expecting out of open today, though? Hey, what's up, Joe? Man, appreciate that, man. Yeah, hit that like button for me, guys. If you don't mind. Open. Yeah, open feels pretty, I'm gonna have to put that line back up here, yo. Nice. PGen ready for a couple red 15-minute candles. That's what it's really ready for. PGen going to 19. I feel like once the uptrend kicks, you should be buying the hot break of the high of every red candle. It's like, ooh, ooh. Yeah, you gotta type in caps, bro. I be thinking you uh it looks terrible though. Why do you think it's gonna go back up? It actually does not look bad on 5 now. Looks kind of clean. Higher low on 15. I think we got a few things going for this thing. Over VWAP on the hourly. What's the high? 340. Got FDA approval. Hmm. Some serious resistance there. Look at that. Hmm. Had your line too, didn't it? Yeah, definitely molasses. Volume's looking super dead. All right, OG. Going for it, huh? It looked like you want to start up though. Yeah, this is clearly resistance at this point. Pusheisty. Hmm. Hey, go ahead, OG. Go ahead, OG. That joker way under VWAP though. It's the 340 break now. What a 340 breakdown. That's a hell of a breakout. Hmm. Big wall at 339. Enormous. I saw somebody put some big shares at 342. Hmm. PGN gone, man. I can't even look at it. PGN. Bruh. And it can't be the one for me though, bro. It's way up, bro. I had my daring chances to get in, and I didn't take it. Same with this. I wanted it over 340, but it just felt wrong to buy it up against this line. Even though, I mean, it had tested it so many times. That's the buy right there. Yeah, PGN looking like the one for sure. You out of there, technical. Nice work, man. Read that thing pretty well. Open up to 350. You over there moving the market, Rob? Spinning your sign. That's funny. Should I go back down to that? It ain't holding the EMA though. What was this? 13? Yeah. Car raffle. Yeah. Oh yeah, it's definitely still going up. 338. Golly, what a trade that would have been. Man, I feel like I gotta buy that. But we trade the 5 around here. It's just like a constant wrestling match with myself. Mental wrestling. It's a really good look. It's a really nice entry for the one. I don't think so. I would have been if I closed the green yesterday, but fumbled that miserably. I really wanted to take this trade. I hate trading this way. Still with the 5-minute. You know, if I'm selling out my whole position, I could probably benefit from the lower time frames. but it couldn't be a 1. It'd have to be the 2. But the 5 is fine. It just, some days you miss them and some days you get a whole bunch of them. Entries on the 1. Yeah, I've been down that road though. I had Joby up actually this morning. And I wish this thing would chill out. What was the news, HH? $17.08. Yeah, you about the bottom. Looking like focus on me over here. All right. So if this trade, if this can just like not go crazy, I'd like to get in over the high of this candle. Yeah. Air taxis, completed flights for personal flights. That's crazy, bro. I heard they're building infrastructure in California for air taxis. That's crazy. Is the future finally here? PGen is right up my alley. Yeah, the only reason I didn't buy PGen because it was like a penny up. My entry was like a penny off of a higher day breakout, and I just don't usually trade those. $4.29. Man, the only thing is everything is below VWAP on this one. But we got the higher low on the 15. So it kind of feels okay. Momentum is hella lacking though. I mean volume. It had a little pop right there, but nah. Wait for open. Dang, bro, I don't know. I don't know if I can trust open.
Order filled.
Open looking good too though. Whoa. Let's go. Open looking pretty good though. Like it's actually did exactly what I was waiting on, but this is a nasty entry. Super wide range candle. That's VWAP on the hourly. 458, yeah. VWAP on the 15 is 478. Man. Thanks, technical. Man, I was just looking at 460. That'll get us back over VWAP on the hourly, which would be pretty cool. Nah, you a killer, Focus. Where'd you say you was in this at? 3? And this is like the very beginning of the uptrend, if it is the uptrend. Foo. They look almost exactly the same. Just no volume, bro. The volume is 9. You need flowers there too. Yeah, sorta. Up 20 cents. Man, this will have to be to get in over the line entry. But I'm good where I'm at. It's a nasty rejection, bro. Working too hard. Man, what's up with Europa, man? They've been lacking. Okay, that looks better. Here we go. The next beef is erupting. um, where's the buyers? No, I'm saying, where are they? Bruh, open is looking really good. I don't even think I got buying power to do anything else. I guess in reality, I could just stop out under that. Take a little 5 cent hit, try again. FOSL. Hmm. Hmm. I think you got a point there, Focus. Man, a 5 minute rejection though. This thing, it really needs to. We need VWAP, yo. We need the WAP. Oh yeah. This really was an ad right here. If this candle was red, I would have been like super on the ad. Come on for a 60.
Order filled.
Okay. I felt anxious about this one because it was below VWAP. I've been wanting to stay away from those lately. Mm, I don't know. I think most of my bangers are above. PGen? Yeah, I just didn't buy it because my entry was like a penny off of high a day both times. So yeah, now I get to Dang. So he wouldn't break them. Where's Pond? Hey, what's up, Azuddin? Azuddin? Pond's around. He's got a channel too. Bron is better. Yeah, it's been a while, bro. This is a ferocious ball debate going on down here, and I'm missing it. Yeah. Hmm. Yes, okay. Oh wow, I didn't know this thing came back to Earth. I haven't messed with large caps in a while. Yeah. I bet. What a squeeze, man. That's crazy. You're not selling it. What do you mean? It's garbage. You got a lower high on the 15, man. I'm like, it's garbage. Well, I guess it's, yeah, I mean, lower high on the hourly. I mean, I guess a higher high on the 15, but Hey, I'd love to do that, Jay. We definitely should do that, man. I'll hit you up on the Discord, bro. Thanks for stopping in, man. Hey, guys, hit that like button for me. That's about all I got going for myself today. Oh, yeah. I'm right off 29th and 71 Highway, man. Okay. Yeah. You know what that is. What's up with the stock selection today? Um, well, open was actually a pretty fire trade. This wick destroyed me. I made the mistake of entering at 9 o'clock, not thinking about that hourly order flow that comes in pre-market, and no stop losses in pre-market. So, ate that. But yeah, open was cool. And TIVC, I mean, it was great in pre-market, but I do regret kind of trading it down here now. What'd you trade? Yeah, it does. Yeah, I really wanted PGen, man, but this was the entry I wanted super bad. But I talked myself down because the break was pretty much high of day, which I don't think this type of high day break is different to me. Like buying this candle on the high day break, like this being high of day, and then buying this candle on the break of that level, that's the high day break that I don't want to take. But it consolidating, like it breaking and then holding for 10 minutes and then breaking, that's the high day break I don't care about. Like I'll take that. I know, man. I that's exactly what I said too. That TIVC was under VWAP. Nah, but the high day breaks that I've been taking were like this. It wasn't like just a breakout trade. It was like it consolidated a bit. I was very near to taking this. Need a better entry than that though. ATNF, I'm gonna have to check that one out because we're gonna have a conversation about this higher day situation. Uh, ATNF.
Order filled. Okay, yeah, I see this one. But this is at the end of the uptrend though, right? Like the uptrend started way back here and it was freaking raging, and look at all these extension candles. Like this was super, high day breakout, and literally the entry. Okay, but compare that to PGen. This was literally the beginning of the uptrend. It just crossed VWAP and the EMA. Like this was the beginning, you know. So it's just different. Nah, because we were talking about taking high day breakouts, and I was saying that this is not the same as like the ones that should be avoided, in my opinion. What's that, Knox? Yeah, makes sense. $310. Yeah. I just don't have the confidence to buy it like that, bro. But when I see these big candles into support, it does. I mean, it's for sure the best entry. But right. But it's still an R though. Like Maybe if I risk down the VWAP and then tighten my stop, you know, I could say that, but it would still be an R. Slowing momentum and heavy L2 S side. Thought that 15 was pretty nice. Yeah, that's definitely where you know it was appealing for sure. I know you're talking about right here, but I'm so used to buying the break of the high that buying the break of the close. Because I mean, so many of these candles break the previous close and still turn red, you know. This is an important candle. Yeah. And about to be stopped. Yeah, you're right. eBay. Hey, it's been on quite the run, huh? Looking pretty good on the one. Get back over 330, man. That would be nice. Uh, slappage. Go. Penny to be under this candle there. Hmm. I'm gonna get stopped on the candle I should have waited for to buy in the first place. Hmm. Hmm. They selling it hard. This is where I should have entered the trade if I wanted to take this trade at the break of 328. Got the EMA test and then wait for the higher low. Hella jumped the gun. Yeah, I deserve this. Especially how high I bought it. If I bought it that high on the 15, I should have had my stop below the 15-minute swing. Hmm. I don't have no room to add. I'm about five. We got 1 hour left for max loss. I'd have to add into profit, which I have not seen yet. This mug is going down, down, down. Yeah, should have got out under 320 instead of hoping and wishing. Especially since it wasn't a great entry anyway. Man, imagine if I waited to this moment to trade it. Been way more confident. There she goes. This was the entry. Yeah. Where are we selling? Gotta sell high a day. 348. So 347. I mean, I'm gonna just jump out the trade. That's a long way up, Gus. 390. Well, oh no, bro. It's like equally heavy on both sides. It's kind of more heavy on the bid. It sure is dancing. All right, Gus. Thanks for hanging out, man. What a terrible entry, though.
Order filled.
Yeah, that's my bad. Had my line over the top. Just moved it down there. Well, all right, man. I'm out of here. Y'all be easy, man. Protect the account. Have a good weekend. I'm out.